Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to deactivate an account on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To deactivate an account on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. On left pane, click on More option and then click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, click on Your Account and here you will find an option Deactivate your account. Click on Deactivate your account. Please note, you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. Now click on Deactivate, then type your password here and click on Deactivate. This is the easiest way to deactivate an account on Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.